You guys probably forgot who I am anyways because, you know, I've been gone for a hot minute. I feel fresh, I feel inspired to film. So many super exciting videos are coming. A lot has happened in these past 6 months. I will do a Q&A really soon because I don't have time to explain everything in this video. Because today I'm filming a DIY room decor video. The DIYs I made are super easy. Like honestly, it took me like 2 hours to make and film all these DIYs. It's only 3 DIYs, but they are really cute. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because actually I'm moving soon, like sooner than you think, like in 2 weeks soon. So moving vlogs are coming, house tour is probably coming, home decor hauls are coming. So if you don't want to miss out on those, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
A place where we don't know.
So for this first DIY, you need some gold spray paint, a metal tray, and any decorations that you like. I found this tray for literally less than €1 and it works perfect for this DIY because it doesn't even need to be pretty. I took my gold spray paint and just spray painted it gold, then I let it dry and I flipped it around and I did the other side. So I had both sides completely spray painted gold. Then I found these really cute pompons and I decided to put them on the tray too. So I just got some glue and I glued them on. Then you can just add your favorite perfume, your sunglasses, some jewelry, anything, and you're done. For the next one, I'm just taking my sketchbook and I'm sketching a heart in it and I'm just cutting it out. And then with just a little piece of tape, I am putting it on another paper of my sketchbook. And then with 2 of my favorite shades of paint, I'm just grabbing the back of a pencil. You can use anything round really. And then on the inside, I'm taking the dark color that I had and I'm dotting it on there. And then on the outside, I'm taking the lighter shade of paint that I had and I'm just kind of making a faded effect. And then you can take the other heart off and put it in a frame. And then you have a really cute and super cheap wall art piece. For this last one, I got this magazine holder from IKEA for like €15. It was really cheap, and I'm taking some cardstock paper. And you can obviously personalize this to your room. So if you have darker colors, add a dark color. If you have a really fancy room, add, you know, some gold, whatever. And I'm just measuring out my cardstock paper and cutting out the shapes on the magazine holder, if that makes sense. And then I'm just taping it on. Like, it's super easy, but it honestly adds so much, and I'm so obsessed with this. So then I had to put it on my wall, and that was actually really freaking hard, as you can see. I'm not understanding anything, but yeah, it ended up looking really cute. So those were the DIYs that I made in this video, and I hope you guys liked them. They were super easy, as you saw. Subscribe, like I said before. I'm gonna upload every week again. I have so many videos planned that I'm gonna film. That is it for today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!